Hi YouTube, this video is for the Mk3 Supra owners that want to bypass their clutch switch. Materials and tools used for this little project are two spade connectors, 3.5-inch long wire crimper, and a 14mm open-end wrench. So there's your clutch switch, this guy right here, and we're gonna take our 14mm wrench to loosen the clutch switch and take it out. First need to unplug it from this connector over here and then start screwing it out. Now that the OEM clutch switch is removed, I have two options. One is to cut off the two wires going to the clutch switch. These two wires are joined together, plug back into the wiring harness connector, and that will be the bypass. The other option is to take spade connectors and crimp them into the end of a 3.5-inch long wire. This latter option is what I went with.